From these experiments, a few factors became evident. One was the realization that serial killers have been with us since the dawn of man.
Please, let him go. Take whatever you want, take anything, but please, let my son go.
My name is Professor James Fallon. I'm a scientist, neuroscientist, and I study the human brain. It's a complex and sometimes lethal machine. In a blind experiment, colleagues sent me 70 MRI brain scans, and I had no idea who these brains belonged to. Some were normals, some were schizophrenics, and some were killers. I analyzed all of them, 5 of which I determined were the brains of psychopaths. And it turned out that indeed these 5 were the brains of serial killers, some of whom you know. In studies such as these, one looks at the biological factors, that is the genetics, and also the brain pathology. The 5 brains we identified all had damage in the orbital cortex, which is right above the eyes. Now, the high-risk allele of the monoamine oxidase A, the MAOA gene, may also be present in these people, and that's key. Now, under the effects of the high-risk gene, the brain of the psychopath was bathed in way too much serotonin during fetal development. As an adult, this brain is now numb to serotonin's calming effects. The first dangerous elements are now in place. The damage is done. Now, this is a recipe for catastrophe. So when the fetus reaches the day of labor, a potential serial killer is born.